Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 18th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of Apple technology, software, and devices. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Ricky Mondello recently addressed a question on Mastodon about the structure of Apple-generated passwords. These passwords, often appearing as two-syllable gibberish words, are intentionally designed for usability, especially on less-than-ideal keyboard layouts. Mondello explained that the passwords follow a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, making them easier to type and remember. These 20-character passwords include an uppercase letter, are mostly lowercase, and feature 2 hyphens and a digit, offering 71 bits of entropy. Apple also ensures no offensive terms are generated, maintaining both security and memorability. In a groundbreaking move, surgeons at the University of California, San Diego have started using Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headsets in minimally invasive surgeries. Over 20 operations have been performed with these headsets, which allow surgeons to view critical information without looking away from the surgical site. Santiago Horgan, a pioneer in robotic surgery, believes the Vision Pro could revolutionize surgical practices by enhancing effectiveness and reducing injury risks. Priced at $3,499, the headset is seen as a cost-effective alternative to traditional monitors, with potential to become a standard tool in operating rooms worldwide. Former President Donald Trump claimed that Apple CEO Tim Cook contacted him about the European Union's recent fines against Apple, totaling around $17 billion. Trump recounted that Cook expressed concern over these penalties, which stem from issues like Apple's tax practices in Ireland. Trump emphasized his commitment to protecting American companies, highlighting ongoing tensions between tech giants and European regulators. Cook's engagement with political leaders underscores the complex relationship between major corporations and governmental regulations. The U.S. Commerce Department is investigating TSMC for potentially violating U.S. sanctions by supplying chips to Huawei. This inquiry comes after Huawei's unexpected resurgence with its Mate 60 model featuring 5G technology. If TSMC is found guilty, it could face penalties affecting its ability to manufacture chips for Apple. The investigation highlights the complexities of international trade and technology supply chains amid geopolitical tensions. Sales of the iPhone 16 in China have exceeded expectations, with a 20% increase in the first 3 weeks compared to last year's model. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models have seen even greater success, with sales up 44%. Despite challenges in the Chinese market, including competition and regulatory hurdles, this surge provides a positive outlook for Apple. However, uncertainty remains about the rollout of Apple Intelligence, which may impact future sales if delayed. Executives from Apple, Google, and Samsung are redefining photography in the age of AI. Samsung's Patrick Chome suggests that no image is truly real, while Google's Isaac Reynolds focuses on memories over photos. Apple's John McCormack maintains a traditional view, emphasizing the emotional significance of captured moments. This debate reflects the industry's lack of consensus on what constitutes a photo, as AI features like Apple's background removal tool blur the lines of authenticity. Apple has been awarded a patent for an innovative AR light system that projects AR content onto surfaces without a headset. This system uses a custom light bulb to display AR imagery on tables, walls, and ceilings, enhancing the room's ambience. The technology aims to eliminate the discomfort of traditional head-mounted displays, allowing multiple viewers to experience the same AR content. While futuristic, this project is considered long-term, as Apple focuses on other priorities. Starting October 17, 2024, app developers in the EU must provide their trader status in App Store Connect to submit updates in compliance with the Digital Services Act. This regulation aims to enhance accountability and transparency in the digital marketplace. Developers must verify their trader status by February 17, 2025, or risk removal from the App Store in the EU. This initiative reflects the EU's efforts to regulate digital services and protect consumers. Yist is a desktop client for GitHub Gist, offering offline access and real-time synchronization for managing code snippets. It features a powerful code editor, smart organization through collections, and CloudKit Sync for seamless data synchronization across devices. The app emphasizes user privacy and is available for free with optional in-app purchases. Yist requires macOS 14.6 or later and is categorized under developer tools. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.